English Anyone, Lesson 10, Verbs, Present Simple, and the Imperative.
Hello, my name is Drew. What's your name? Listen and watch.
Basic verbs. Hop, swing, sit down, stand up, walk, turn around, run, pick up, put down, disappear. Basic verbs. To do. Do homework. Do math. Do laundry. Do a pull-up. Do a sit-up. Do a handstand. Do a curl. Basic verbs. Present simple. I do magic. She does magic. I do the dishes. Do I do the dishes? Yes, I do. He does the dishes. Does he do the dishes? Yes, he does. I do a push-up. Does he do a push-up? No, he does not. He doesn't do a push-up. Basic verbs. The imperative.
Jump. Do not jump. Do not drink. Don't drink. Do not eat. Don't eat.
Goodbye. I, you, we, they, do, do not, don't, he, she, it, does, does not, doesn't. Do you do math? Yes, I do. No, I do not. No, I don't. Does he do the dishes? Yes, he does. No, he does not. No, he doesn't. For more great tips and lessons, and to get fluent in English faster with our free email video course, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.